Actress Anushka Sharma was seen suffering from midweek blues in her latest post on social media and was caught not yawning in a behind-the-scene video. In a video from the sets, the Filori star can be seen yawning repeatedly and goofing around at her workplace with an opera soundtrack playing in the background, making the clip all the more hilarious. Sharing the video on Instagram, the NH10 actress captioned it, "No, I wasn't yawning at work. Obviously not." On the Bollywood front, Anushka was last seen in Zero alongside superstar Shah Rukh Khan and Katrina Kaif.